Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to record a Google Meet video call in your laptop. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your browser, then go and search for Google Meet. It will show you here this web page. Simply click on New Meeting, then click on Start an Instant Meeting. Now it's joining. It will take some time for loading. And now after loading, here it will show me here that I'm in the meeting. And now if you want to record it, simply search for OBS and download the software. So here you have Windows, macOS, Linux. You can choose whatever operating system that you are using. Click on any one of them, then download it. It will be downloaded just like so. And install it on your PC. And now here I have it recording. So simply the first thing that you should do is to add a source that it can actually capture. So click on this plus icon, then choose display capture, and it will record the whole screen of yours. Now, if you want to record the audio of you and the audio of other members or participants, you should go and enable these two options, the desktop audio and the microphone audio. Now, the desktop audio, you should make sure that this option here is checked, so make sure it is not muted. And for the microphone audio, you should also make sure that this one here is checked and it is not muted. So simply I'll go to settings, then go to audio, and make sure that you have the microphone audio of yours is the one that you are using right now. Choose it, then click on apply, then click on OK. And now if you want to save the video, you can simply click on stop recording after you click on start recording. You can even go to settings, go to hotkeys, and set some hotkeys for recording start and recording stop and recording pause and the unpause. Now, if you want to get to the folder where you can actually find your video exported, you can simply go to output, recording, then here you can go to this recording path. You should copy it, then go and open File Explorer, then paste it right here. And here I have my video will be saved here in this folder. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.